Hello children, today I am going to teach comparison. Before comparison, let me tell you date, day, weather and season. Which date today? Today 15 July 2020 and day, which day? Day Wednesday. And how is weather outside? Weather is cloudy. And which season going on? Rainy season. Now children, what is the meaning of comparison? Compare similarities or dissimilarities between two things and two people. It is called comparison. Compare similarity or dissimilarities between two things or two people. It is called comparison. So we compare two things, and first of our comparison is big and small. Big and small. Like this, it's a big object. Children, it's a big object and it's a small object. Big, small. I have draw elephant, so it's a so big. Why? Because elephant is a land animal and it's a big animal. So I will give one example. It's a big opposite small. So small is a red and big elephant. Big opposite small. Big opposite small. Big small. Big opposite small. Now another example is also given like this. We have ball. It's a big ball. Understand? It's a big ball and it's a small ball. Big, small. Big, small. Big ball, small ball. Big ball, small ball. Okay? Now children, we have write in our notebook with spelling. Write down everybody. B I G. B-I-G, big. B-I-G, big. And whenever we comparison, that time we put this sign. Big opposite, small. S-M-A-L-L, small. Big, small. Leave one block. Again write. B-I-G, big. Put comparison, small. S-M-A-L-L, small. Big opposite small. Again leave one block. B-I-G, big. B-I-G, big. S-M-A-L-L, small. Big, small. Again leave one block. B-I-G, big. Put S-M-A-L-L, small. Big opposite small. Again B-I-G, big. And then S-M-A-L-L, small. Big opposite small. Repeat with me. B-I-G, big. S-M-A-L-L, small. 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 Okay. Which object is this? It's a big and small. Now another comparison also teach you long and short. Which one is this? Long, short. Which comparison? Long and short. I have drawn the board one pencil. It's a long. Look here. It's a so long. Long opposite short. So small, so short pencil I draw also on the board. Everybody look here. Big, long opposite short. Long opposite short. Another example like this, rope. Long rope and short rope. And another is this one also. One scale is a long and it's a pencil, it's a short. Long, short. Okay children. So now we write long and short spellings in our notebook. So you write with me. Continue. Long, long. And put sign comparison. Long. S-H-O-R-T. Short. Long opposite short. Leave one block. L-O-N-G. Long opposite short. S-H-O-R-T. Short. Again leave block. Write down L-O-N-G. Long. S-H-O-R-T. Short. Again leave one block. L-O-N-G. Long. S-H-O-R-T. Short. Long, short. Again leave one block. L-O-N-G. Long. S-H-O-R-T. Short. L-O-N-G. Long. S-H-O-R-T. Short. Okay children. So today we teach two comparison: big opposite small, big opposite small, and this one is a long opposite short, long opposite short. Thank you.